Hi friends! I just want to show you what you're going to have to do for your first week, week and a half-ish of distant learning. When you find this planner at the top, I'm always just going to have a note for you from me. And then when you scroll down, again, I want you to know that these things down here, you don't have to get done until April 8th. So that's right before spring break, Wednesday, April 8th. So that's about a week and a half that you have to get done all the things that are on this planner. And then I'll post a new planner for the following week after spring break. The first things you're going to want to get done are your reading journals for your independent novel. I'm hoping you've had some time to read your independent novel while you've been home. So complete your second reading journal and then your third and final reading journal. The second one's due March 31st. The third one's due April 17th. The good news is I canceled the independent novel project. If you remember, there was supposed to be a 50-point novel project that you made that had to do with the book that you're reading. I decided to cancel it. I just don't want to overwhelm you and have you do more work than necessary at home. So, for the short stories, we were supposed to read a few more short stories like we were doing in class, but I'm going to just have you read two more. The Sniper is really good. It's not very long. So read The Sniper, and if you want, there's a link to me reading the story to you. So if you'd rather listen to it, you can listen to it here. And then complete the Sniper theme assignment like we did in class with all the other short stories. And then read a Sound of Thunder and complete the Sound of Thunder theme assignment as well. Just a reminder, you're going to want to write down each story that we've read and the theme in that theme paper preparation packet that you had. That'll help you later on once we get into writing our theme papers. So for the theme paper, there's an outline on Schoology that I want you to look through so that you understand how your paper will be outlined. There's also a video that goes with it that gives you more detail on that. Basically, for the theme paper, you're going to choose one base theme. So if your base theme is love, you're going to then want to choose 2 or 3 story selections that have a base theme of love that you could write about. So remember, these are all the short stories that we've read. The Crucible is also in there. You can use your independent novel choice as one of your selections. But again, you need 2 or 3 choices that we've read that have one base theme. So start thinking about that. Start thinking about what choices you might want to use. Then you're going to go do this theme check number 1 assignment. That's due by April 8th as well. So you're going to have to probably know what choices you want to use in order to do theme check number 1. Theme check number 1's in Schoology, and there is a video with directions that goes with this assignment too. Again, I know this is kind of a lot and it's hard to do this over, online video and whatever. But if you need anything, you can always email me. I check my email pretty much constantly. So let me know what you need. There are no interviews. Those interviews that we were supposed to do with someone in the community are canceled. Just make sure that you've submitted your resume if you haven't. And the ACT, we're not totally sure what's going to happen with that. So we'll see. I hope you're doing well at home. I miss you guys, and I hope this isn't too overwhelming for you. Please let me know what you need, and hopefully I will see you soon. Have a great day.